Wow, man. How are you, man? I'm blessed, man. You look just like someone in Haiti.
What's that?
You look just like someone in Haiti, like a reporter,
yeah?
like someone in media.
Okay.
Yeah, his name is Carel.
Okay.
Carel Pay. I thought you were like him. I was like, oh no, that can't be him. Yeah.
I
For sure.
actually get mistaken for somebody else that works back here as well. So.
For real?
Yeah.
Wow.
I guess I've just got that face, you know.
Definitely, man. Can I take a picture with you, man?
Sure, if you'd like.
Oh yeah, yeah. At least you could say like hello to Carel. Hey, what's up?
Hey,
Say,
what's up?
Yeah, say sac passé to Carel Ped. Like sac passé.
You said Kyle was the name?
Yeah, Carel Ped.
Hey, what's up, Kyle?
Carel Ped.
I'm sorry?
Carel Ped. His name is Carel Ped. You could say sac passé. You know, in Haiti we speak Creole, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You could say sac passé.
What was it? Sac
Passé.
passé.
Yeah, sac passé Carel Ped.
Sac passé, Kyle.
Yeah, Carel Ped. All right, man. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it, man.
You have a good one.
Appreciate it, man. So I'm gonna put it on social media. At least you can see it. Okay?
All right.
Is it okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine, man. All right. Thanks a lot, man.
Yep, no problem. And you have a good evening.
You do the same.